Hi all. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung S24 Ultra if you already forgotten your pin or pattern or whatever. So for this, what you want to do is plug in a data cable. This will have to be plugged into your computer, laptop. Charger won't work, and what you want to do is press down the volume down and the power till the phone goes off. When the phone goes off, just switch the finger to the volume up, so keep holding the volume up and the power button together. It will take few seconds until you see the Samsung logo. Keep holding. Okay, when you see the second part of the Samsung logo, just release the power button, but keep holding the volume up just for a split second, and it will go into recovery mode. Now this, in recovery mode, what you want to do is go selecting wipe data factory reset by using the volume keys. So with the volume down, you want to go to wipe data factory reset. You will confirm this with the power button. Okay, this is just warning you if you wish to cancel. Otherwise, you just go again with the volume down, you select factory data reset, confirm with the power button, and it's all done. Reboot system now, and your phone will be totally wiped. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.